Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce unnecessary costs with Intuit beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin reducing unnecessary costs with Intuit, you'll first need to access the Intuit platform. Log in to your Intuit account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard, where you'll find various tools for financial management. Explore the budgeting section to set up your financial plan. Enter your estimated monthly income and expenses. Review the expenses you currently have. Identify areas where you can cut costs, such as subscriptions or recurring payments. Utilize the reporting feature to analyze your spending patterns over the past months. Make adjustments to your budget based on the data you've gathered. Consider using the expense tracking tool to categorize your spending. Regularly review this information to stay on top of your financial health. If you have employees, assess payroll expenses and evaluate any necessary adjustments. Utilize Intuit's invoicing system to ensure you're getting paid on time. Automate payment reminders to reduce late payments and avoid penalties. Explore the inventory management features if applicable, to optimize stock levels. Consider renegotiating contracts with vendors to achieve better rates. Utilize financial insights provided by Intuit to forecast future costs. Stay informed about updates and new tools offered by Intuit that can enhance your cost management. By regularly using these tools, you'll develop a clearer understanding of your finances. Make it a habit to review your budget and expenses monthly. With consistent effort, you'll effectively reduce unnecessary costs over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.